So now today we are going to learn the preparation of bases. So bases can be prepared from metals and from metallic oxide, from salt and from decomposition of salt. Okay, is that clear? So one by one we are going to discuss that how to prepare bases. Okay, so first of all we are going to discuss from, it means obtain the base from metals. So look here, we take here sodium that react with oxygen and it form 2Na2O. Yes or no? You can see that metals that react along with the oxygen and form what? Metallic oxide. What? Metallic oxide, that is sodium oxide. Sodium oxide, and metallic oxide is what? Base. Yes or no? It is clear to all of you? Yes or no? Tanushree? Mehak? Any doubt? Okay. Now next example. Next example, like magnesium react with oxygen and it form magnesium oxide. So here you can see that when magnesium react with oxygen it form magnesium oxide. So here for the balancing we use the coefficient, and now you can see that what it is, what? Metallic oxide. Okay, that is what? Magnesium what? Magnesium oxide, and this is what? Base. Yes or no? Okay. Now, so you can prepare the base from non-metal by reacting with oxygen or burn or heat along with the oxygen. So after that you will get sodium oxide or metallic oxide as a base. Clear? Another example you have like magnesium that react with oxygen and it gives magnesium oxide. Magnesium is a metal, you know that, and magnesium when react with oxygen it form metallic oxide that is basic in nature. Yes? Okay? Sure? Yes? Next. Okay? So from next one, from metallic oxide, from metallic oxide, and you know that metallic oxide is what? Metallic oxide are base, or sometimes it is also called basic oxide. Okay, sure? So look here. Here's the example. K2O that react with water and form what? 2KOH. Okay. Once again, another example here. Na2O that react with water and it form what? 2NaOH. Okay, you know that this is what? Potassium hydroxide. This one what? Sodium hydroxide. And due to the presence of alkalis, these are what? These are due to the presence of hydroxyl they are called what? Alkali. Clear? Yes or no? Okay. I hope that it is clear to all of you. And you can also prepare bases from reacting 2K plus H2O. Look here, 2K plus H2O simply, okay, or 2Na plus H2O directly form 2 KOH or 2 NaOH. Directly react, okay. That it means metal react with water. You know that it form alkalis, okay. Sodium react with water, that form alkalis. It means sodium hydroxide, it form potassium hydroxide. It is clear to all of you? Sure? And you know very well that is release what? Amount of hydrogen. Say yes or no? Once again, so prepare the acid from metallic oxide, that is what? Basic oxide. So when you react these basic oxide with the water, they form their hydroxide. If we take potassium oxide, that react with water and it form potassium hydroxide. If you take sodium oxide, that react with water, it form sodium hydroxide. Okay. What is the similarity between? You can see that both of these have hydroxyl ion, and due to presence of hydroxyl ion they are alkalis. Okay, sure. Now you can also prepare base by introducing metal into the water. Here. So you can see that, okay, potassium react with the water molecule, form potassium hydroxide and release hydrogen. Once again, here sodium that react with the water molecule, it form alkalis and hydrogen. Yes or no? It is clear? Okay. Now next one. Okay. From next one, that is from salt. Okay. From salt. So you can take salt like aluminium chloride. Okay. Al. Just like example here. Okay. Aluminium chloride. Al. Cl3 plus 3 NaOH. It is visible to all of you. The green color is visible. Okay, I am trying using this different color. Look here. Now visible from salt. Now it is visible. Yes or no? Tanshri, Mehak?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So look here, from salt like aluminium trichloride react with sodium hydroxide. What is formed? Mehak, now tell me that. Mehak, Tanshri, what is formed? When aluminium trichloride, this is what? This is salt. Huh? Yes.
Form one element and then chloride will react with sodium.
Look here. Now tell me what is formed? Very good. It form what? A what? Once again. Na NaCl. It means normal salt. This is what? Normal salt. And here like aluminium hydroxide. That's it. That is what? Precipitate. That is a precipitate. Is that clear? Okay. So this is your what? Base. That is alkali. Okay. Confirm? Yes or no? Next one. Next example. Next example. FeSO4 plus 2NaOH. Now tell me that what is formed? Yes? Huh? Yes? So look here once again. You can see that what is formed? This is what? This is salt react with alkali. Okay? It means ferrous sulfate react with sodium hydroxide. What is formed? What is the product here? Look here. Na2SO4 Na2SO4 plus FeOH whole twice. Yes, it is clear. Mehak, Tanushree, Asra, clear? Okay. Now, okay. Now I'm going to erase. Next one. Look here. From decomposition of salt. What? Decomposition of salt. So look here. I am taking example. It means the salt that get decomposed and gives basic oxide. Give basic oxide. Clear? So look here. 2 Pb NO3 whole twice. Okay. When we heat it, it changes into what? Lead oxide. What? Lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide and plus oxygen. It is clear? Say yes or no? Okay. So now very easy concept about how to we prepare a bases. How do we prepare base? We can prepare the base from metal, okay, such as sodium, directly heat in presence of oxygen and it changes into basic oxide like sodium oxide, potassium oxide, and we can also prepare from basic oxide It means basic oxide that react with water molecule. It gives its hydroxide. Okay. Now we can also prepare base from salt such as aluminium chloride that react with the alkalis and form aluminium hydroxide as a precipitate. Okay, and you can take ferrous sulfate that react with alkalis and form ferrous hydroxide. Okay, and sodium sulfate. Now next one we can so bases can also obtain from decomposition of salt. It means when we heat this salt, that is decomposed and change into its what? This is what? Basic oxide, and this basic oxide, that is what? Your base. Okay, clear? And changes into dioxide and give oxygen. It is clear? So yes or no? Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the properties of acid and bases, physical property of acid and bases, and then after we discuss about the chemical properties of acid and bases. So look here. Physical property of acid and bases. Okay, clear? So look here. So here acid and here base. So now Tanushree, tell me that what is the taste of base? Taste. So it is sour. It is sour in taste. What? Yes or no? Yes? Girls? Huh? Hello? Hello? Just a minute, bro. Hello? 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 Okay. So look here. The taste of acid is what? Sour in taste. And this one is what? Bitter. What? Clear? Sure? Confirm? Here, example, mineral acid. Okay? Acid like HCl, HNO3, H2SO4. Okay? These are what? Corrosive in nature. What? Corrosive in nature. Now Tanushree and Mahek, Asra, tell me that what is corrosive in nature? What do you mean by corrosive? Yes? Huh? What do you mean by corrosive? Yes? Do you know or do you know it? Yeah, do you know about it? What is corrosive? Corrosive means just remove the top layer. It means remove the top layer. So these acid when introduced over the metal or the marble, they remove the topmost layer. Okay? Okay? Once again, when acid introduce or pour over any marble or metal, that remove its top layer, that destroy the top layer, okay, that destroy the polished, okay, this is called corrosive. This is called corrosive in nature. Okay, so look here. So mineralic acid like HCl, nitric acid and H2SO4, they are corrosive in nature. And here caustic alkali, caustic alkali, caustic alkali like NaOH and KOH, these are corrosive in nature, corrosive in nature. Yes or no? Okay. Once again, just recently I told everyone that corrosive means that is remove the top layer, that remove or destroy the polish of the substance. Okay, it means remove the top layer. Such as if we introduce acid over the marble, this acid that destroy the polish of the marble. Okay, this is called corrosive. Okay, confirm? Okay, now next one, next example. React with blue litmus solution, blue litmus paper. It turn into red color. It turn into red color. So look here, I am giving example here. Just wait, students are join here. So look here, acid that introduce over blue litmus. Okay, sure, just a minute. So okay, so look here, acid when introduced over a blue litmus, it turn blue litmus into red. What? Red litmus. Yes or no? It is clear? Okay, it means when we introduce the litmus paper into the acid, when we introduce blue litmus paper into the acid, it turn red litmus. Okay, yes or no? And here base plus look here, base that react with red litmus paper, it turn into blue litmus. What? Blue You can see that when base react with or red litmus that introduced into the base, it change its color into blue litmus. Okay? Yes or no? Okay. So I hope that the physical property is clear to all of you. Yes or no? Hmm? Okay. Now, any question? Do you want to ask it? Any question? Any doubt? Do you want to ask? No? Okay. Then I am going to erase. Next, then we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of acid. What? Chemical properties of acid. So, chemical properties. Okay. What do you mean by chemical properties? Girls and boys? That cannot be retained into its original property, and change into a new substance. This type of changes is called chemical changes. Okay, clear? And these are properties called chemical properties. So first of all, okay, we are going to discuss about the properties of acid. Properties of acid. So look here. I am taking example here, such as bases. It means neutralization reaction. First of all, neutralization reaction. What do you mean by neutralization reaction? Yes. What do you mean by neutralization reaction? Simply, when a base, what? When base plus when simply acid react with base, it gives salt plus water. Yes or no? Okay. So look here, I am giving example. Like we take here copper oxide, CO plus 2HCl. So what do you observe? What happened? This is what? Base. This is what? Acid. Now you can see that, Tanushri, what will happen? Mahek, what will happen when we react a base like copper oxide along with the hydrochloric acid? What is the product formed here? Yes, another one. Good. Yes. Yes. Very good. Yes. Very good. Yes. Like CuCl2 plus what? H2O. So look here. Neutralization reaction is the reaction when acid react with bases. It forms salt and water. So look here. This is what? This is salt. And here this is water. So you can see that neutralization reaction is the reaction when acid react with the base. It gives salt and water. So yes or no? Clear? And the example we can take here, like Na. Look here, NaOH plus HCl. Now tell me that what is the product? Tanushree, Asra. Now tell me that. Very good. Very good. Look here. That is H2O, and here what? NaCl. So this is what? This is what? This is base, and this one acid. And you know very well, when acid and bases that react together, they form salt and water. So here you can see that this is a water and this one is what? Salt. NaCl, sodium chloride plus H2O. Okay, sodium chloride is what? This is your salt and this is water. It is clear? Yes or no? This is the property of acid. It means when acid that react with the base, it gives salt and water. Okay, you have two examples like copper oxide and hydrochloric acid. Okay, when react together, it form copper chloride and water. And here another example like sodium hydroxide when react with the hydrochloric acid. So here you can see that water is formed and here the salt is formed as a product. Yes or no? Okay, say yes or no. Okay, now reaction with active metals. Reaction with active metals. So do you know the name of active metals? Reaction with active metals. Reaction with active metals. Active metals like magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, so on. Okay, so here the example like when zinc react with HCl, what is formed? What is the product? Very good. Here you can see that ZnCl, ZnCl2 plus H2 eliminate here. Okay, you know very well this is also a displacement reaction. Now this is a displacement reaction on the basis of activity series. Had the zinc that displaces the hydrogen here. Now so now the product is formed what? ZnCl2 plus what? Hydrogen. Okay, yes or no? Okay, confirm. So I'm going to erase. Next, now reaction with salt. Reaction with chloride. Reaction with chloride, nitrate, bicarbonate. Reaction with chloride, nitrate, bicarbonate and carbonate. Okay, so here the most important thing here, the less volatile, what? Less volatile acid replace less volatile acid replace more volatile acid, more volatile okay. So look here, what do you mean by volatile? Yes, Tanushree Mahek, what do you mean by volatile? Yes, you easily vaporize. Okay, volatile means that get what? Vaporize. Okay, so look here, I'm going to react like it means NaOH. Okay, clear? So look here, NaCl plus H2SO4. What is formed? Now tell me that. Below 200 degrees. What is formed? Very good, very good. Now for your it means I'm making or write another form of the H2SO4 like this one. So you can see that what is formed. You can see that what is formed? HCl, है ना? And then NaHSO. Very good. NaHSO4 plus so HCl. So look here. This is what? This acid H2SO4 is what? Less volatile. What? Less volatile. And here this HCl is what? More volatile. And now you can see that it is what? It is a type of salt, but due to presence of hydrogen, it is called acidic salt. What? Acidic salt. Clear? Confirm? Yes or no? Okay. Now another example, you have sodium nitrate. What? Sodium nitrate that react with H2SO4 that below 200 degrees Celsius. Now tell me that what is formed? What is the product? Very good, very good. Don't laugh. Okay. So now NaHSO4 plus nitric acid. Look here. So nitric acid is what? This one is less volatile. Okay, and this one nitric acid is what? More volatile. Okay. Now you can take the screenshot. Okay. You can take a screenshot. Okay. Now next one. So first of all we take chloride, then nitrate, and we are going to react with bicarbonate. Okay. So next one. Can I erase? Yes or no? Gus? Okay. Now react sodium chloride, it means sodium bicarbonate. Look here. 2 NaHCO3 plus H2SO4. Now tell me that what is formed? Yes, Gus? Yes. So look here. You can see here. Yes, you can see that. What? Here sodium sulfate is formed. What? Sodium sulfate. Na2SO4. Sodium sulfate. Okay. And then after what? H2O plus CO2. Okay. Sure? Yes or no? Confirm? Okay, confirm. So that is very easy for you. Bicarbonate that react with the H2SO4, it gives salt. It gives salt like sodium sulfate and broke down into H2O and CO2. Yes? Okay, clear? Yes or no? Now next example. Now carbonate. This one done. Now carbonate. Look here. Na2CO3 that react with 2HCl. Now tell me, what is the product? Yes. Very good. Why it is not it do not form H2CO3? Because it is unstable. Because it is unstable compound. So that's why it do not form carbonic acid. It form carbon dioxide and water. Okay. So here first of all you can see that sodium that react with chlorine. It form sodium chloride and then what? H2O plus CO2. Clear? And these are what? Unstable. Okay. Unstable. That's why do not form H2CO3. Clear? Yes or no? Okay. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about the bases, property of bases. So any doubt about that? Preparation of bases, physical property of acid and bases, and what? Chemical properties of acid. Is that any problem? Yes or no? Girls? Okay. So today I am going to stop the meeting here. Okay. In the next meeting we will discuss about the salt. Okay. As well as chemical property of bases. Okay. Okay. Now how many students are here? 24. Okay. Okay, have a nice day to all of you, beta. 25. Okay. Dishan, it's you. It's a Dishan. Okay. Now, so we will discuss in the next